To much of the world, Donald Trump is a human result test. You can witness any possible policy changes that you desire and you fear the most.
Firstly, the Donald Trump win on US election will impact on US economy and markets such as bonds, stocks, unemployment rate, and bank. Donald Trump win will impact the bond markets such as saver, borrower, and bond investors. This is due to the impact of Donald Trump winning speech on implementing fiscal policy that will increase the expenditures. Besides that, the stock market has saw favorable growth due to his promises to focus on policy that boost the US economy, which may improve investors' confidence. The Buy and Hire American concept caused more Americans to be hired after his victory and dropped the unemployment rate to a 9-year low in US. The levy on trade tariff after Donald Trump win to Mexico and China also strengthened the US dollar. Economists forecast the central bank to implement monetary policy by driving up federal funds target rate.
In 2004, both countries signed a framework to enhance trade and investment, which made Malaysia the 17th largest source of imports of the United States and 25th largest export destination in 2013. The political situation's uncertainty before the election caused American investors who invested in Malaysia to divert their investment away, as the US dollar might undergo serious fluctuation. On the side note, after effects of September 11 attack, the stock market closed for 4 trading days since the Great Depression in March 1933, which led to the closure of Malaysian stock markets the following day. A study by Chen and Siam in 2003 showed that KLSE endured negative returns after the event. In addition, exchange rate volatility declined from 82 to 61 points in December 2016. Consequently, buying and selling rates decreased by 20 points in January 2017. Furthermore, a study by Karim and Glee in 2006 showed a positive result of how interconnected the financial markets are between the two countries before the Asian financial crisis in 1997 to 1998.
With Trump's rhetorics and anti-globalist policies, Malaysia has been no exception to the volatile Trump effect, for both the better and for the worse. Just within the span of 6 days, the KLCI and the Nasdaq took a concurrent rise during Trump's victorious elections, as well as during tax reforms announced in the month of February. On the other hand, as US Treasury yields surged sharply upon Trump's victory, it inversely triggered a rapid sell-off in the Malaysian bond markets. Lastly, the well-known TPPA. As it is predicted to create 1 million jobs, the dismantling of the much-debated deal will mean that Malaysians are possibly losing out on the economic advantage as a participating member of the deal.
US tariffs increase, leading to a decrease in trades with other countries and Malaysia. Goods are relatively more expensive and eventually cause the US consumption to fall. Spillover effects occurred. As the spending of US slows down, there will be a lower income inflow from US, resulting in lower capital investment in Malaysia. Next, a fall in the exports and consumptions that leads to a decline in the country's investment. This is due to Trump's Buy and Hire American policy. The exports of Malaysia will decline, which means a fall in the growth of Malaysia. Consumptions will fall. Hence, there will be a fall in investment and capital market of Malaysia will shrink. US currency hiked due to a lower amount of currency circulating in the economy. The debt market is estimated to fall. However, as currency falls, other countries might spend more or consume our local products. This will allow improving our country's financial markets due to more funds inflows.
US have withdrawn from the TPPA and Malaysia trades with US expected to suffer, resulting in capital outflow and investors pulling back their investments from Malaysia. US will be more dependent on domestic consumption. Malaysia could also join RCEP, which is currently undergoing negotiations. We would benefit largely from this by being able to actively trade with China.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Nandri vanakkam.
Created using Powtoon.